Hi students, I am Dr. Maria and now I am going to show you how to draw the simple graphs because these are very important and you have to draw the graphs normally. So let me tell you how to. First of all, I want to tell you how to insert the graph. You can go to the insert option and you can find different graph here, different options for the graph here. Now I want to use the bar graph or column graph. For this, just select the data. The data is that it is about the compressive strength. This is mix one with different composition mixes have mix one, mix two, mix three. There are three different mixes, and these are the sample one, sample two, sample three, and sample four. These are the different tests conducted, and each test have shown different values. Now you can insert the graph from here. These graphs, now there is an option of recommended chart. You can also use this. You can see these are the clustered column, different columns, bars, etc. But I want to insert a simple chart. This is the column chart. Insert column chart, and I'm going to insert. Some people say it insert graph. Uh, it can also be called bar chart, column chart, etc. And let me use it. This is. But now actually I wanted to have this mix one, mix two, mix three, and sample one should be in mix one. So in this such cases, when I needed it, mix one, mix two, mix three, here I can go to switch rows and column, and this will be like that. Switch rows. Now this is mix one, this is sample one, 25, sample two, 29, sample three, 28, and sample four, 30. So now there is a problem. If I want to have their label, what should I do? There is a very simple solution. I can put plus. From here there are the options. I need access title and they are not present, so I will add access title. Secondly, data label. Data table, if you want, can also be added here. If you want, it is not necessary. Just for some time I can do it for you. And error bars, I don't recommend to use this error bar method. I have already shown you in another video how to draw the error bars for such cases. Legends and trend lines. So trend line and legend is that you have to show this S1, S2, S3, S4. These are the legends. If you will remove it, then they will not be obvious, but of course you need it. And secondly, I don't need the graph. It is just about the formatting. I don't need this table here, so I can remove the table from here by removing data table tick. So now this is simple. Now I can convert the chart title. I want to write compressive strength, right? Control C. So I can also write it here fully. This is control. Oh my God, I did. And I have to undo it because it was selected fully. Right. So I can do it by writing compressive strength here. Compressive strength, and I can also copy paste it from here. Now it is actually the compressive strength. I should write compressive strength here. This is compressive strength, and remember to put units here. You know, it can be in megapascal, it can also be in PSI, pound per square inch. Now this is compressive strength, and this is mix one, mix two, mix three. You can use Excel's title as mix IDs or anything, mix ID or specimen ID or something like that. Mix ID, like mix ID. S1, S2, S3, S4. You can place it here. It is also movable. You can take up it. You can move it from here to here. It is up to you. So there are other options too, but now I am going to show you the simple one. You should again go to insert. So you can You can also change the styles of the graphs. These, if you will click it, you can find it out. This is the first way to express your graphs. Second way, let me cross it. Third way, fourth way, fifth way, sixth way, seventh way, even eighth way, and there are so many other ways. These are also the ways. Okay, so let me go to the first one. That was the first one, I think. Now there is another problem. If you don't want to show it from, I don't want this to be here, so I can change it from here. Right, like that. This is also possible, and this is also the good option. Yes, this one I want it. So there is another, I can take this legends here. It is up to me. Now, what else I am going to do here is, I want to format the axis. For this, go to format major grid lines, minor grid lines. First of all, I want to format the axis. If I will write format axis, I can change the minimum and maximum for the y-axis, because I have selected y-axis, then I have clicked the format axis. So minimum is 0 and maximum is 45. It is up to me if I want to change the minimum and maximum, let it to the 50. Now here the major is 5, let me change it to 10. And even I can change it to 25. This is 25. Right? So, but it doesn't look nice, so I am converting it back to 10. 10 is much better. So in this way, you can write here horizontal axis crosses axis values. Here you can change many things, display unit and logarithmic scale and everything. But I think this is enough for you for this time, and I will click it cross. Now, if being the student, you don't want 4 values and you want to have only the average, the graph between the average and the compressed string, then you can write average. Here you can write average or mean, and you need average, and you can, what you can do is you can use formula, and here you want to take the average. In this you can insert equal, and after that you want to insert actually average from G9. This is G9 to J9, and you can click OK. Skip. It is, you can just click it, click the function, you can insert average, OK. You can G to G9, it's written already here, write OK, and it is with 28. And you can also keep it down like 28, 32.5, 29.25. This is up to you. And if you want to convert it to 1 decimal, the best way is you can select the cell, or you can also select the whole sheet and format cells, go to the numerical values, number. It is decimal place up to 2. You can use it up to 400, whatever you want, but let me do it up to 1, and this will be okay. Now you can see it is 28, 32.2, 29.3, and so on. Now I don't want this graph. I want the graph between mix and average. Let's try. First method is, the best method is I can insert another graph between the average and mix 1, mix 2, mix 3. Or it will be very simple if I write mix 1, mix 2, mix 3 and the average values, then automatically the graph will be formed. That will be very easy, as I am telling you. But let me make the graph here. So I can convert the same graph, but to show you that how does it vary, I can do it. Just click the graph and go to select data. From data, you can edit. Or you can remove all and add new. Series name is mix1, mix2, mix3. And series values are 28, 29. These ones. And write OK. Now you have drawn the same graph here. But as you see, this is not looking nice. So actually I was on insert and select data. Let me remove this, and from here you can go to mix1, mix2, mix. Enter. Okay. Now here it is okay, mix1, mix2, mix3, and I can edit it by writing mix, only mix. Okay. Oh my god, I have done that to that one or this one. Yes, mix1, mix2, mix3, and mix items. So I can remove this from here. It was useless. And now again I don't like this type of graph, so I can go to the graph option. First, second, this is beautiful. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So let me place it in this category. So from here you can see mix1, mix2, mix3, and you can also put the error bars if you want, and I have already provided you another video and you can use it from here. Thank you very much for watching. These are the simple ways how to draw the bar graph. And I hope you understand it.